What's up,
Yo,
what's up,
what's up, what's up, what's
Where
up?
are we going?
We're going to the
Can you introduce
Williamstown.
yourself?
We're like just in front of the city.
Okay,
like,
but
we're
first,
across
can we
the-
introduce ourselves?
I am June, and this is my beautiful and amazing
Hello.
Loris.
Hello, yo, what's
And
up?
we are
guys?
in the NDIS.
What animal is this? Can you tell?
Oh, that's a wild goose.
Oh, it's goose or geese?
Goose.
If plural, if
Geese.
goose, okay.
If geese is goose.
If many geese,
Goose.
if many geese.
If mini geese, guess.
Gases.
Yes, it says.
Ay, hala, imot akong inanaon lang. Oh.
Sige,
Oh, mag-vlog na tayo dali. Kaya, hala, ninduta silang sakyanan lang. Oh.
So amazing, isn't it?
Okay na.
Isn't it?
Di mi ganahanan na. Lisod kayo na drivean. Di mi ganahanan na.
Amazing.
Mubura kayo.
Of course.
Kasukaon ko ng
Of
mubuon.
Of
Okay,
course.
can you take over the vlog? Come on.
Okay, I'm here and we're watching the J-24, the Australian Defense Cargo
Cargo.
Ship.
Yeah. And then, sorry.
We are in the Williamstown
English only
Reserve,
policy.
and my wife is right here. Isn't it amazing? She's wearing like a dirtier,
Oh, hi.
dirtier shirt, but when I wear it, it looks like I'm homeless.
Again, come again.
Isn't
Pardon.
Isn't it amazing that she looks good and wearing the dirty look t-shirts from Cotton On, but then when I wear it, I look like an idiot, like a homeless guy. Yeah.
Homeless ka? Okay, come on. Ay,
Ato,
there's-
talita ka.
oh, I love this.
Do you wanna? You wanna try that?
Ay,
You
wala, pub only.
Bayad ni diri kita.
I
Ang parking,
know.
kada sa ang parking.
Wala na. Okay, guys, so we're already in trouble because we didn't pay for the parking. Okay, come on. Say something.
I'm just looking at the parking.
Okay, can you tell me what you're wearing now?
I'm wearing a black shirt.
Ay. Hello.
Hello. I'm wearing
Unahan na lang ng parking din ha. Di na lang unahan na lang ng parking.
What's siguro ni bayad?
Basagdahin na lang ko, unahan na lang ng parking diha. Unahan na lang ng parking.
We are at the
Ay kog sundi-sundi unya ha. Shh. Ay kog sundi-sundi unya ha.
Of course, no.
Okay na eh. Goodbye vlog. Wala na. Mana ni tanan. Game over.
Game over.
First attempt. Unsuccessful.
Unsuccessful.
Okay, goodbye vlog.
Goodbye, my friends.
So we're back.
What?
What genre? What
So
genre?
busy right there.
Ha?
The dog is so busy.
The Jew. Ano ka cute. Uy.
Oh.
Alam makakupot ka na si Manang lang. Ha? Murag di man kasaligan. Uy, ni kaon naman lang nagkuan. Uy.
They look cute.
Uy, kadako nagbaba genre. What can you say? What can you say? Sige na, babe. Hold for please take over. Okay, we're back. Okay.
Now we're back, and we're just gonna be here sitting in front of it, and there's the Australian ship, Australian defense ship.
Defense ship. Defense ship. Okay, what can you say about the Australian defense ship?
It's gray in color,
And
and it
then-
has a J2
What is it for? Like where? Can you tell us like where is it from? Where it originated? Like
It's in
why they made this one?
and they made
like,
this one
what
to
is it
defend
for?
the country.
How did they do
And
it?
they do it
How is
by
it to be done?
doing it in Austral.
In Austral, Cebu City.
Austral,
Cebu City.
Perth, Australia.
Perth, Australia. Perth, Australia. How do you say it?
Perth.
And then.
Right here and then.
And then, come on, say something, say more. What is this battleship?
That battleship is an
We have
old,
no
the battleship is an old wreckage. Just there.
wreckage.
We may be. It's good to go there. Let's go there. I'll go there. I'll check.
Okay. Sige.
Maybe you're tired na.
No, I'm okay. It's so good. Come on na. No edit time maning ako. No edit time
What's the
vlog.
cruise times? Not is like river cruise.
No, what? I cannot understand Junior.
There's a river cruise.
I cannot understand
And there's like-
Junior.
It's one where the Melbourne River cruises. We might have to try it one of these days.
Okay, can you just turn around with me? Okay. I love you for infinity.
Infinity. Oh, infinity. Oh, oh, oh.
Say something.
We are at the Fresh Fish
Uy,
Gem Pier.
fish.
And these are all my yachts.
Ay, hello. Hello to your yachts. Oh, we can actually take the spirit of Tasmania here.
From Tasmania and the Spirit. Eh, bantay, gunito yung silupog tarong.
Uy, ay sabi Kate, wala na ba tila yung silbon?
Look, darling.
Where's Ormoc?
Look, the Ormoc City is right there. Just in front of that.
Oh, there's Ormoc. And then this one is Balamban.
Yeah.
In here.
Where Bruno Mars.
And then this one is Mactan, Cebu City.
Bruno Mars' mother's born.
Ah, where?
Balamban.
Where? Who?
Bruno Mars' mother.
Ah, what's the name?
Bayot.
Ha?
I just remember her last name Bayot.
Love. Ang isda ani no, oh, dagan kay love, dagan kay kuan love. Love, unsay pangalan na love?
Fishing.
Fish pole. Ah, unsa na lang?
Fish pole.
Rod ba no?
Right, oh, fishing.
Ang isda ani love di gyud ka escape no.
Nothing to escape.
Luoy kay
Nothing's
si
right.
Nemo ana
All
love.
good.
Love, luoy kay si Nemo. May Finding Nemo tabi.
Careful, hold
Finding Nemo.
it.
Okay, sus ma-shot ni ang atong 3210 lisod kayo.
iPhone 18 is waving.
Love,
Oh.
sige na be, okay, can you tell me more? What can you say? Where's the battleship by the way? Where? Ah, oh, it's there.
J244.
And
It
then
was
what
built in the 1990s and it's currently
Oh, why
on the
J2?
decking.
Why J244?
because it's numbered J and it's been like 244
For the, what's
Years.
it, 244 years? Ah, the years of service.
the years of service. All good. No.
Can you tell me more? What's this?
This is the World War II ship.
What's the name? Yeah.
And it's one from the
Okay, without looking, spell Castlemaine.
Castle. Castle is it CASTLAMAINA.
Alam mo,
Of course.
Sorry.
Castlemaine.
Okay, sorry. And then.
Come on board and see the reciprocating engine working.
Okay, can you tell
By
us
engine
more?
built by Thomas Son Engineering Consult.
Oh,
Victoria.
amazing.
Amazing. Isn't it amazing? Isn't it perfect? And then,
Yeah.
okay, hello, in it.
Ha? Again?
Isn't it amazing? Isn't it perfect? Hello, in it, okay, in it.
Uy, nandito ang lawang gisakyan sa Christmas party, love. Australian audition. Love. Australian audition. Inani yun, love. Ay, may pa sila, love. Nagkuptan na eh. Ay, nagdahin na lang. Ay, okay ra, eh. Di po. Ayaw ra, eh. May pa ang uba nagkuptan na eh. Sagdahira. Anak, magyud na ba sa 3 years na?
More than
Ayaw na lagi. Ayaw ko kupte. Ayaw ko. Anong pag-party na mo ba? Abi na ko nga. Diri may magkuan. Kaya mga inani ba? Ana. Kanang mga sailboat. Kanang mga kuan. Noon nagroro naman ni. Pag Christmas party. Yeah, mo to, when I arrived there, I said, is this the boat we're taking? Isn't it sure?
you have to say it like this.
Are we sure? How do I say it?
Are you really sure we're gonna get on that ship?
Okay, example, you were me, like, party mode, and then,
Really? We're gonna get to that ship? Whole ship?
naglaway. Manuto, mangkaoy. Mangluwa, mangkadong. So, nilagay na ship.
I'm speaking straight.
Okay.
Nasa ikuan ng sabay.
Dili na lang tattoo. Dili tattoo guys sa kilid niya. Tikman ta. Dili na lang. Example daw. May tattoo. Ay, dili. Sige, dabi lang sa dabi. Pagukod daw. Di, para maatong ma-prove mga friendly gud ang Australia. Sige na. Sige na ba? Pagukod. Mulingid ko dabi. Mulingid ko dabi. Mulingid ko dabi. Mulingid ko. Mulingid ko. Pagukod po. Di lagi friendly lagi sila na. Here ya, here ya. Here ya, kalatso, kalatso. Pagukod pa. Pagukod lagi para na mamukol. Lab. Para na ba mo color? Lab, paana diri gamay. Diri gamay ba to? Iro. Dili ba diri? Para matungan kanila asap sa. Ana pa right. Sige sayo, ten. Cute din mo, love boy.
Nakita mo picnic niya diri ka.
Picture mo na landmark. Kani landmark ko. Sige, wow. Landmark lagi ni. Ay, sige na lang, smile. Oh, picture sa landmark. At sa landmark.